Every day, 21 Canadians die from opioid overdoses. The frantic fight to save lives is being waged across the country.
It's impossible any day of the week to not hear about somebody else who has died.
But there are concerns. Years into this opioid crisis, the battle is being lost in silence.
Everything but.
Families of overdose victims and Canadian Senator Vern White want to raise public awareness about the severity of the crisis. They're asking Prime Minister Justin Trudeau to lower the flag on Parliament Hill to acknowledge those who die each day. So far, that hasn't happened, including this week during International Overdose Awareness Day.
I don't hold out a lot of hope. I think actually that many are afraid to talk about it. They don't want to get into the discussion about who is impacted.
In the first full year of the pandemic alone, there was a 96% increase in opioid deaths nationally, with more than 7,500 deaths in 2021 alone.
It's impossible.
Wendy Muckle is the CEO of Inner City Health, which operates a safe consumption site in Ottawa. She has experienced the cruelty of the opioid crisis firsthand.
It's like we're in a war inside this whole other world and nobody else really knows that we're at war.
She says there are concrete steps all levels of government can take to better address this growing problem, including decriminalizing possession of small amounts of drugs. Chad Boutillier works at a safe consumption site. While he supports calls to draw more public attention to opioid deaths, he says action is also needed.
Lowering a flag is not going to stop people dying. I think a lot of things have to happen.
In a statement, the government did not acknowledge the calls to lower the flag, instead noting several buildings across Canada were flooded with Purple Light Wednesday to increase overdose awareness. And Ottawa isn't committing to any new action. Advocates are urging the government to move now, because every day that they wait for changes, more Canadians are dying. Rachel Gilmore, Global News, Ottawa.